Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and I am in the studio today. So it has been quite a while since I've been in the studio, probably at least a month, if not more. But I have a couple of pots that I would like to get some paint on and get them finished and get them outside in my garden. I think they can add some more beauty to it. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm not even entirely sure what colors I'm going to use. It's going to be, I want it to match the ones that are out there. So it'll be purples and pinks and blues and greens and I think that's about it for the ones that are out there. Yeah, so thank you for being here. Thank you for coming and hanging out. I really do appreciate it. And I'm going to paint. Let's get to it. So here it is, pretty much completely dry. I haven't pulled the tape off yet, obviously, or done the rim. I'm not 100% in love with it, but I'm probably going to leave it the way it is. I may splatter. You can see I've got some bare spots there, right in there, and so I may splatter some more paint on it, just a little bit here and there to fill in those spaces. And then, of course, I'll paint the rim with my dioxazine purple and my pearlescent medium. That'll make it all shiny and pretty. So it does color-wise suit it, and it is actually pretty cool. It's got some pretty cool designs on it once you get down and look at it. So, yeah. It could be a sun hat. Just kidding. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging out today. I really do appreciate you taking some time out of your day to come out and hang out with me. I had fun in the studio today. If you are looking for a craft that is easy and relaxing and brings a lot of satisfaction, this paint pouring, I tell you what, it is fantastic. You can look back through, I've got a bunch of videos on me learning how to pour paint, and some of the very beginning ones go through the process of mixing the paint and what to look for in your paint. And I had a lot of mess ups, but I shared them. So yeah, if you haven't yet, take a look at some of those if you're interested in looking for a new hobby to try. Thanks so much for hanging out tonight. I do wish you the best, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye now.